Oh! Hello, falava everyone. Today I am making tilapia for my wife and also cooking up some salmon and some other fish too. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. Okay, first we're going to take care of the tilapia. So what I like to do is make a couple slices here to make sure that it's thoroughly cooked through. Flip it over and do the same thing on this side. Alright, now let's put it in the pan. Okay, first I'm going to put a little cooking spray in a baking dish. There we go, and then I'll put the tilapia in. Alright, here we go. Sit there, little fella. Now we're going to use some of the ingredients I have out here to season it before I cook it. Okay, first I'm going to take about a quarter of a stick of butter, put it in there. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice, not too much because I'll be using real lemon as well after the fish is cooked. I'm going to put in a little bit of garlic and some cooking wine, and you're going to put it about in a tablespoon of that. There we go. And then we're just going to microwave it till it melts. While the butter is melting, I'm going to turn the oven up to 375. There we go. Okay, I think the butter is almost all the way melted. I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder in. Just a little bit. And the salt and pepper I'll put on after I coat the fish. Okay, so for the tilapia, I'm just going to spoon the butter. Make sure it gets inside the crack too. There we go. Coated everything. Eyeballs, everything. Tail. With my wife, you never know. She might eat every drop of this little fella. Let's turn it over. And do this side as well. Sorry about butter in your eye there, fella. In the crack. And then I have a little left over. So I'm going to save that for the salmon. Okay, now that I have it coated with the butter and lemon, I'm going to put on some pepper. And for this, I'm going to use the cracked pepper. I already did the other side, sorry about that. And then I'm going to put in some pink Himalayan salt. You want a heavier grain when you're baking salt. There we go. All ready to bake once the temperature reaches 375. So here's the salmon. At first, I thought I wasn't going to videotape, but I decided I'd do it the last second, but I had already cut up the salmon. It was just a big chunk that I bought from the seafood market. A little bit of garlic butter here. There we go. We're going to cook these together. And also do the little bit of pepper. And a little bit of sea salt. There we go. Let's wait for the temperature to be set. By the way, just to be safe, I didn't know if that dish was oven safe, so I looked at the bottom and it didn't say anything. So I've transferred the salmon to something that is able to go into the oven. Alright, the oven's reached 375. Let's put in the fish. First we'll do the tilapia. And then we'll also put in the salmon. There we go. I'm going to probably leave that in for about 30 minutes and then check it, make sure, and see if it's done. There we go. By the way, I'm also making, these aren't fresh, obviously. These were frozen popcorn shrimp and also some chicken nuggets because my 11-year-old likes chicken nuggets and my 14-year-old likes the popcorn shrimp. She also eats a little salmon, but no one else will eat the tilapia except my wife. It must be their Palagi blood. I'm also going to cut up a little lemon. I think half will be enough. We're probably going to use this for other things as well. But I need a couple thin pieces for the tilapia. And another, maybe 2. And then the bottom part will be for my fish that I'm going to show you what I'm cooking for me in a few seconds. All right, the fish is about done, so I'm going to give my wife some, put her rice on the plate. You see how nice a husband I am? I always fix my wife's plate first. Make sure you write her a letter and tell her that. All right, let's get the fish out. All right, it's gonna be steamy. Let's take out the tilapia first. Look at that. Looking good. Okay, let's see if I can get it out with one hand. Ooh. Ow. Yeesh. There you go, little fella. Now let's get the salmon. All right, going in for the salmon. Ow, same thing. Hot, hot, hot. All right, let's get some of this out. Ooh, this smells delicious. So good, so good. Oh. A little bit more. Gotta save some for the other people, right? There we go. All right, I almost forgot. I have a little spring salad too, with some broccoli. Ooh, that's maybe too much. Yeah, too much. My wife's not a big salad fan. Says it gives her gas. All right, there we go. And last but not least, well, not last, but let's put some salad dressing on it. And a couple of lemon slices for her. And now, last but not least, some peach and mango salsa. Just basically put this right there. She loves this with fish. Just not baked in. But the mango and peaches are very sweet, but go so well with fish. I love this too, so. There we go. Let's look at her plate. Oh, maybe a little parsley to pretty it up. There we go. What do you think? Would you like to take a bite of this? Let me know. Oh, I forgot to show you. I added a little fresh fruit there as well. Wow. I think this looks fantastic. What do you think? Comment below. And please subscribe if you're not. We would sure love to have you aboard to watch all the videos. Almost forgot to show you what I cooked for myself. So I'm melting some butter. And I had some fresh shrimp. Leftover, not many, but I did have some fresh shrimp. Leftover from dinner we cooked a few days ago. I don't want to waste them. So what I'm going to do, let me set up my camera. I'm going to put a little onion powder. And then a little cayenne pepper. So if you know me by now, if you watch my videos, you know that I love spicy stuff. And then some crushed red peppers. Ooh, that's going to be hot. Oops. But I know this is going to be good. And shrimp don't take long to cook, so I'm just going to let them simmer. I turned the heat off. It was on high, and now I just turn it down. Let that sit there. And the fresh shrimp that weren't frozen and just refrigerator temperature, these will cook really fast, and you do not want to overcook them. Alright, looks like mine are done. Here, I'm also going to eat some of the popcorn shrimp along with the salmon. Okay, my 14-year-old ran away with the rest of the salmon. So this is my plate. I'm stuck with just my spicy shrimp, popcorn shrimp, which I will add a little lemon juice to my popcorn shrimp, and my spicy shrimp. And then I also have a salad as well. Honey, what if you eat?
Yoy.
Yoy. Enjoy. I'll get you a fork. Or do I have one over there?
Ooh.
I'm still trying to fix something. You want to say the prayer, honey? Go ahead.
First time when I thank you for the food.
Yeah, and
Amen.
thank you for the subscribers.
Amen.
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 All right, thanks for the food. Let's eat.
Salmon.
I'm still cleaning up in the kitchen, so I don't mind Mama eating while I'm cleaning. Let us know how the tilapia tastes with the mango chutney or salsa or whatever you call that stuff. I know that's her favorite salsa or chutney because she loves mango and she loves peaches. Let me fix the camera a little bit. It must be cold in our house because my wife's dressed up like it's winter outside. Oh, while I'm cleaning, I'm eating spicy shrimp. Holla! Woo! Man! That's hot!
That's very good, honey.
What's that, the tilapia?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, you just digging the guts out. Poor fishy! Poor Mr. Fishy! Oh, you like it with the mango and peach food?
Mm-hmm.
I think my GoPro zoomed in too far. Let me back it up some. Hold on.
That's really good.
Good. I'm glad you love it, sweetie pie. I love you.
Love you.
Can we make out later?
Sure.
I'm just messing with her.
I think I swallowed a bone.
Bones are good for you. They make your bones strong. Ask any Samoan. You should know that.
Not when it's stuck in your throat.
Eat the bone. Make your strong bones strong. Thanks for the food. So how'd your day go, honey?
I think it's good. The sun's out.
Oh yeah, the sun was out today. It's like the middle of February, or a little past the middle of February. It's starting to be a lot sunnier out, thank goodness.
It's 43 right now.
Yeah, but it's nighttime, so that's why it's getting cold.
Mm-hmm.
So your birthday will be up soon in a couple of months. Have you thought about what you want for your birthday? Besides a big kiss from your husband? Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Oh, yeah. Anything else?
A whole day full of everyone playing games with me. That'd be fun.
Oh, yeah. She loves playing games. She only loves games because she's good at it. all the people online think she's a guy or something that's been playing for a long time. They don't know she's a Samoan girl that's kicking their ass, or excuse my language, I'm sorry, kicking their butt. They're mooly. You okay? Is that the right word? Is mooly? Does mooly mean butt?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I remembered. You choking on a bone? Don't forget to eat your salad and help your intestines. Even though it's very gassy, I'm sure. Are you okay? Did you eat salmon when you were little, or they didn't have salmon in Samoa?
I didn't have salmon when I was little. I don't think Samoa had salmon.
But no, because that's mostly like cold water fish, I think.
Maybe.
I think so. If you were gonna die tomorrow, what type of fish would you want to eat as your last meal?
Salmon, of course.
Yeah, that's her favorite fish. Even though that tilapia looks delicious, she's eating everything. Oh, where's the eyeball? Did you eat the eyeball? Oh no, he's blind. He's blind. No, I don't think she did, but yeah, her favorite fish has always been salmon since the first time she tried it when we moved to Washington, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, the eyeball! I'm sure all the Palagis are saying, "Oh my God, that's so gross," and other people saying,
"That's good.
That's good."